it is the 5th, so that means it is Creative Kit Club release day. This kit is going to go quick, so be quick to order it. Let's take a quick look at what's included in the kit this month. Alrighty, you have got some of our burlap rickrack. We have got the stacked numbers stencil. There is the Country Roads Creative Cuts. You have got the Country Roads laser cut. This is wood. It is super easy just to pop them out and use on your projects. You're getting a die. This is our barbed wire die. Getting a little stamp. This is our Jira Art texture stamp. 2 bone folders. This one here is for scoring and this one is for folding, a whole set of those. A set of our new storage pockets to store all your crafty things in. A watercolor cut apart sheet. Some bling, some mint rhinestones. Our regular cut apart sheet, which you can use your essential 1, 2 and 3 dies to cut out, or you can fussy cut them. Some of our alpha stickers. This is our uppercase alpha in a black. The Creative magazine, which has got so many ideas of how you can use your kit. Should keep you going for sure. Some 12 by 12 burlap. Some 12 by 12 watercolor cardstock in the 360 GSM. And of course the paper pack. So that is all the things included in the kit. This kit is jam-packed full of value this month, like it is every single month. But if you were thinking about subscribing, this month is a great month to subscribe. This kit is going to go fast and you'll be guaranteed to get yourself a kit. If you subscribe, there is $84 worth of value in this kit. And if you subscribe, it's only going to cost you $45. Let's take a quick look at some of the projects that the girls have made with their kits. Really great masculine projects this month. We do try to mix it up, masculine, feminine and neutral every 3 months. Different kinds of things. And in case you're wondering, our next masculine kit is May, and then it will be August. Look at that, that's the add-on die, which is the alpha, and the other add-on die, which is the windmill. Cute projects, and there are so many card ideas. I just want to quickly show you some of the cute card ideas that the girls have made as well in the magazine. Great to have cards on stash. Now you don't need to make cards, you can just make the layouts, and the card ideas are there to use with your leftovers, or you can just make the cards and no layouts. It's entirely up to you of how you use your kit. We are just giving you as many ideas as we possibly can so that you get the best use and value out of your kit. I just love this. This is so good. So many ideas. So that is what is in the January kit. I'm going to quickly show you the 2 add-on dies. There is the windmill add-on die, which I believe is $15.80, and I think this one is $45. Could be $16.80, sorry, don't quote me. I will pop the price in right here. Price will be right here of the dies, so you know how much they are. Thanks for watching, guys. This is our new release. Be quick, it's going to sell out fast. This is Tracy from Uniquely Creative.